Hey, what's up, everybody? Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, whatever. I have here a taken apart paintball gun outcast. Now, I'm going to show you, I will show you everything. I took everything apart. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's going to take me a while. I actually timed myself. See how fast I can put this together? Uh, it took me 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now, I'm going to put it together piece by piece. It's a pretty good gun. It's a semi-automatic. Every time you pull the trigger, it shoots as well. It's not an automatic. Wish, but whatever. I'm going to show you how to put it together. This is just a regular frame. I can take this trigger thing off, this handle, but I can't. I don't want to. But I will show you put it together. Right here goes into this thing. I put the camera down so you can see. This goes right to here, the ring, so the barrel can go through the majigger. Spring, little pebble, majigger. I'm gonna shut up now and put everything together. Excuse me. Gotta put it right here so you guys can see. Right now it's not taking shape. It's not even taking shape of the gun. I'm just putting the... Usually you put the details last, but I prefer to do it now. Because you forget to put the details and you can't see how cool your gun looks with this. There we go. Now the details are starting to look good. I have to shoot it because now the handle. Right now it's taken apart and I am going to put it back together. And just put first a screw two. I'm going to first screw two screws in there. I'll start from the bottom first. Make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, it's in there pretty good. Now screw another one over here where it's almost meeting your finger, but only like far away. Make sure this one is nice and tight too, because you need both of them to be tight. Because if you screw this one right here in right away, you won't be able to put this one in. Now I'm going to screw this one in. There we go, nice and in. And here's a little nut. It's very tiny, but it goes on this side. And this thing, you need one of these things, majiggers, to screw it in. This one doesn't need to screw in that far, so the only thing I gotta do left is screw it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, all it's left is the barrel. Oops. I should probably put one of the details last. Now the thing is messed up. I didn't beat my own record. But then again, I wasn't doing it fast. Slide goes in there. Make sure those pieces covering it. Alright, check the other side. And it was pretty good. That's one screw in. That screws in. That screws in. Alright, I checked both sides. Good. Now I gotta screw this one in. It's good. I'm gonna put one of the loaders in there. Make sure I'm facing it the right way. Now I'm gonna get the big one. And it's all ready to go. And that's how you put a paintball gun together. An Outcast paintball gun. Stay close.